Here is a foam plastic mattress. After many years of use, it's been thinner in the middle where your body rests. I cut it in the middle, and I'm now going to join the two pieces together, the ends where it's still pretty thick. You can see here now to the left, you see that it's thinner than to the right, which is the top or bottom end of the mattress. I'm going to try to use contact glue. Let's see if I manage and get the pieces together. Here I am at the attic. The two pieces of the foam rubber mattress up against the wall, and I used the chair there to keep one in place which wanted to fall down. So these where the meeting are the old up and down ends, and the cut off ends are, I'll show you here for clarify it. Here is what I cut with just a household knife. So now gluing time. I put the mattress here and wait a couple of days, maybe say 3 days, to let the glue settle and doesn't exude any fumes any longer, unhealthy stuff, these contact glues. It's good to do it in the attic where it's better, more air, better ventilation, and also leave it here to settle. Instead you can't keep it in the flat.